Repairs that hold for a few weeks, then pop out after a season usually fail because the bond and layering were done incorrectly. To prevent this, start by cleaning the crack thoroughly with a stiff brush and a vacuum or compressed air to remove all dirt, loose material, and organic matter so the repair material adheres to solid substrate. Use a backer rod size to slightly compress into the joint when present to control depth and provide a proper backing surface. For narrow gaps where a backer rod will not fit, shim with a foam strip, or use a thinner joint filler designed for shallow repairs. Always apply repair material in a single, properly mixed layer unless the manufacturer explicitly requires multiple passes, and strike the surface smooth to eliminate entrapped air that weakens bond strength. Allow full cure time at the temperature and humidity range specified by the product, and do not accelerate drying with heat, as this can create a brittle surface that separates later. When working on expansion joints, maintain correct joint geometry so movement is accommodated rather than resisted by the repair material. For exterior work, finish edges with a solvent wipe or primer if recommended to improve adhesion between old and new materials. Common mistakes include trying to patch over a dirty crack, which leads to immediate bond failure. Always remove contaminants and test adhesion on a small area if unsure. Another issue is not using a backer rod or controlling joint depth, which causes three-sided adhesion and eventual pullout. Remedy this by installing the correct size backer rod or substituting a depth control material before filling. A third problem is applying multiple thin layers too quickly so they do not fuse into one cohesive mass. Wait for the material to tack or fully cure when the product calls for it, or use a single appropriate depth application to ensure homogeneous bonding. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for repair work and compare past project examples to select the right approach for longevity. We also help contractors find work and connect with a discussion community where we can share techniques, ask questions, and learn from each other.